Here's the tutorial for this shiny silver crochet bag. The overall design is simple and easy to follow. You can adjust the size using the pattern chart. It fits most earbuds or other small items. Let's crochet it together. I use this kind of yarn and a 3mm hook. Start with the magic ring. Insert the hook, pull the yarn through and make a knot, then chain 2. This counts as the starting chain for the double crochet. That makes one double crochet. Beginners can place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Continue with the second double crochet. For round 1, we need a total of 12 double crochets. When round 1 is done, remove the loop, join with the slip stitch into this stitch. And round 1 is complete. Next, crochet round 2. Again, chain 2. This works as the starting chain. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Make one double crochet. Beginners should definitely use a stitch marker. Now work into the second stitch. First, crochet 2 unfinished double crochets. Insert the hook. Pull the yarn through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again and insert the hook. Pull the yarn through the first 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull through all loops. These 2 unfinished double crochets make one puff stitch. Chain 2. In the second stitch, crochet another puff stitch group. So it's one double crochet and one heart pattern group. Make 6 groups in total. For round 3, chain 2. In the same stitch, crochet 3 double crochets. Then into the chain space of the previous round's pattern, work the same pattern again. First, make 2 unfinished double crochets, then form one puff stitch, then chain 2. Continue with another puff stitch. Three double crochets and one puff stitch pattern make one group. Repeat this for 6 groups. Now crochet round 4. First, chain 2. Now work into the 3 double crochets from the previous round. In the first stitch, make an increase. That means 2 double crochets in the same stitch. In the second stitch, make 1 double crochet. In the third stitch, make another increase. Next, work into the gap of the previous round's pattern. Again, crochet 1 puff stitch there. That completes one group. Repeat for 6 groups. For round 5, chain 2. Insert the hook into the double crochets from the previous round. Work 5 double crochets, 1 in each stitch. Then make one pattern in the chain space. So it's 5 double crochets and 1 puff stitch pattern as one group. After finishing this round, for round 6 and 7, just repeat the same pattern. When that's done, we'll crochet round 8. Chain 2. First, work across these 5 double crochets. Start with 1 decrease. Insert the hook into 1 stitch. Pull through the first 2 loops. Then yarn over and insert into the next stitch. Pull through the first 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull through all loops. That's how to crochet a decrease. Next, make one normal double crochet. After that, make another double crochet decrease. This is the pattern worked over the 5 double crochets. Next, in this space, make one puff stitch pattern. Repeat this pattern for 6 groups. Next, for round 9, chain 2. First, crochet 3 double crochets in order. Then in this pattern space, crochet half of the pattern. Then chain 20 for the handle. After that, insert the hook into the next opening. Crochet half of the pattern. Next, crochet 7 double crochets in order. Work 1 over the 3 double crochets, 1 into the puff stitch gap, and then 3 more double crochets. After the 7 double crochets, crochet half of the pattern in this space, this heart pattern. Then continue by making 20 chain stitches. When that's done, again, crochet half of the pattern. In the next motif, half of the pattern. After that, there are 3 stitches here. In the puff stitch pattern, crochet 1 stitch, then join to the first stitch with a slip stitch after the 4 double crochets. Next, we just work 1 round of slip stitches. The first slip stitch is already done. Insert into the second stitch. Make 1 slip stitch. Okay, the third stitch. For the chain stitches, only work into 1/2 of each chain. One round is finished, and the back is done. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and supporting me.